What's more important, the cork or lunch? We'll find out today on Jones Knows. I'm not sure how it is for everybody else that's in service type businesses like me, but Mondays are hectic. Today is no different. It's a Monday and we had to start a new job. We're finishing a big job that we're on, the crazy inlay that we're doing. We started 1,000 feet of Lifeproof vinyl. Mondays are hectic. Today is no different.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we got the full crew, both my sons and Joe, on our job site, and guess what we're installing? If you guessed Lifeproof, you're right. Yep, we're doing Lifeproof again. It's becoming a trend lately. It's one of our favorite floors around here, but this video is going to be completely different. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of what it takes for me to get these jobs accomplished. I'm going to take you out to a couple of my distributors. I'm going to show you what I have to deal with and the problems that arise during a regular installation. And believe me, we had some problems on this installation, and I'll show you how we got them resolved, hopefully. Well, without any further ado, let's hit it. I'm Tim. Those are my guys, my sons, Joe. Here's the Lifeproof that we waited for, huh? What's the color? Lighthouse? Oh, yeah, this is it. I remember this. I've done this one before. It's a really nice color. I love Lifeproof in general, but this is a really nice color.
I like it that it had more texture.
You know, it's important to have that texture because it hides wear. And it's pretty durable stuff. And hopefully you don't get those scratches or wear, but if it does, at least it doesn't like glaringly stand out, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of masks it, so it's a nice floor.
I'll be out of your way.
All right.
Baseboard.
No problem. Baseboard, we're doing the modern kind, the square top?
Square.
Okay. Alrighty. Direction front to back of the house, I assume?
Yes.
Front, like this way? The way you walk in?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Definitely looks better that way when you walk in the door. It'll down all the planks. Alright. So, on the bottom of the cabinets here,
Okay.
you got a hole in the toe kick back there.
Yes, they never like blocked it off.
Yeah. How do you want us to finish it along the bottom of these cabinets here? We can do a quarter round. I can, maybe we cut the flooring, guys. I normally get new toe kicks, but that's a hard color to match.
Okay.
I'd put like another layer over it.
You can just like block it with a piece of wood.
Let's put the flooring there. We'll cut the flooring down and put the flooring as the toe kicks.
Okay.
And then that way we can run it and it'll cover the hole. So interesting thing here in the bedrooms, you notice we have tile in the rest of the house and we have laminate. So we don't want to use moldings in the doorways. If you know one thing about me around here, I hate moldings. I hate thresholds. I don't use them whenever possible. I say just say no to thresholds and we're not going to use them. What do? We're going to build these rooms up with cork and that will eliminate the problem. Now here is what you don't want to do. This is an amateur install right here. They cut around door jambs instead of under them. And they fill them in with this ugly putty. This wood should have went under, and look, they even have a miscut there. That's where the blade from the saw put a line in the floor, and instead of changing that board, they just kept it and reused it. So now the fun begins. We had to get cork for this job for the build-up, and of course, the first place I called is out of stock. So now we're going to Masters. Yep, that's where we get a lot of our products from. Now we're gonna hope that they have the cork and our base in stock so the day doesn't turn into a wild goose chase. And I'm already getting calls from my son. You think it would be something important? No, it's the code for Grubhub. He sent a code to my phone and they need to order lunch. What's more important, the cork or lunch? We'll find out today on Jones Knows. I'm worried about cork and they're worried about food. Let's go see if Masters has my cork, or if I'll spend the rest of the day hunting it down. And now, of course, I could go into Floor and Decor or any of those places and pick up cork for my client, but then I'd have to charge him like retail. He'd have to pay twice the price, and I'm not about that. I'm about saving my clients money. I just feel that it's part of my responsibility. You know, I promise great service and an awesome price. So part of that is sharing my discounts that I get in the trade. So that limits the places that I can go to. I'd hate to have to go to Floor & Decor or Home Depot and pay retail. I'd have to charge my client double the price that I'm charging them today. And nobody wins there except for the big bucks. Oh, so we're at Masters here waiting in line. And we're gonna find out if they have that cork or not. And hopefully they haven't raised their prices as much as everybody else. It's a shame that with the COVID and everything that's going on, it seems like the prices have gone up on building materials more than anything. This is one of the places I buy my trim from. Let's go ahead and look at some of their modern base choices. I really like this one with the line in the top. It's like a routed line across the top. It just gives it a little bit extra pizzazz. But that's not the one we're doing today. This one is, which is still really nice. Hi, AB flooring and stairs. I need cork. I need about 300 feet. What are they, like 6 square feet each?
Yeah.
Okay. That would make sense. Yes. Some 5-inch baseboard. The square.
But I don't have it in finer MDF.
Well, I can't believe that the baseboard, they don't have anything in stock, huh? Let me just get the cork for now. Great, thank you. They had the cork, they didn't have the base, so the wild goose chase begins. And you would think with this huge warehouse, all this room for inventory, that they would at least have my baseboards. They have millions of feet of flooring, millions of feet of base, except for mine. And unfortunately, it's like this at most of my distributors. So mission almost accomplished. We got these 2 boxes of 12 mil cork, which is 1/2 inch. This will keep the guys going, not slow them down. But they didn't have the baseboard, so the search continues. But first, we'll drop this off for them to use, and that way they don't slow down. Hey, Wendy. It's Tim. Yeah, yep. Me, yep, that's me. I need modern baseboard. I need the square top. MDF. 5 1/4? 5 1/2, whatever it is. Yeah, that's fine. You have it in stock? You do? How much? I'll take it. Pay for it now if that. I know you can't. I know you can't hold it. Give you a credit card number. On file. Awesome. I'll be in there in a few minutes. Thank you. Wow. My day just got easier. I found it at a good price for my client, so everyone's happy. I can get home early today. Well, I never get home early. And we made it. They're gonna be like, you didn't get the base? You're slacking. They're gonna call me a slacker. I didn't come back with the base. They don't know what I go through. They think I just drive around and have fun. Not the case, trust me. Definitely not the case. Let's see what they got accomplished while I was gone. Quick, everybody back to work. The boss is here.
I'm waiting on you forever.
Yeah. You didn't know what I go through to get you shit. Get the boxes of cork out.
Yep.
And then I have to go get the base. They didn't have the base there. I already paid for it on GC.
Oh, we'll take a picture of the front door. Ain't no mold in there.
Joe says that's his handiwork over there. Who did it? You. Alright. If you weren't here, they'd take credit for it. Probably. That's nice. That's why people love us. Different tile. Why did they do that for? They put oh, that's vinyl. They didn't put tile in there, and then they stuck vinyl in there. Just how thick is our floor? Will it work? Double down on the vinyl, huh? Wow. We could have just done vinyl in that room, huh? Twice? That would have been an expensive underlay.
It would have been solid.
You want to know what though? If the price of cork keeps going up, it would have probably been cheaper.
It's just going up.
And here we go again. Now it's off to get the baseboards, but at least they are paid for, and I don't have to do any paperwork. I just go in and grab them. Yeah, right. Never works out that way. All right, let's go over the estimate. I got you on speaker.
All right. Stain and finish, $12.50. Includes 1 coat of stain, 1 coat of standard stain, 3 coats of finish. Additional coats are $2.50. After color is chosen, if you decide you want a different color, a $500 charge will incur, plus $25 per step to remove the original color choice. Premium stain and finishes are available for an additional $7.50, such as Loba or Duraseal. Baseboard, 176 linear feet approximately, at $4 is $7.04. That includes 5 1/4 inch supplied and installed. Primed white casing, supplied and installed, primed white, 160 linear feet approximately, $4.50 equals $7.20.
Okay. I'm good with everything. It sounds good. I think you can send that. Well, welcome to my world. I leave the job for 10 minutes and a flood breaks out. Literally all the rooms that we were supposed to build up with the cork are flooded, and we're not going to be able to lay the floor today. Now I have to hurry up and try to get back there and figure out where the water is coming from before it affects the rest of the job. Whew. Well, we got the base. Now we're heading back to the job so we can deal with the flood. Monday madness. There's never a dull Monday. Actually, there's never any dull days in my life, but Monday just seems to be even more amplified. And of course, no day is complete without a stop at Home Depot. Yep, I usually hit Home Depot at least once a day, if not 2 or 5 times a day. But today, it's only 1 time so far. But we needed to stop here to get some vapor barrier now, because I think that flood is gonna cause us some issues, and I'm trying to stay 1 step ahead. While Tristan unloads the base, I'll go in and figure out what happened with the flood. Where's the water coming from? And are we gonna be able to lay this flooring tomorrow? Because we already should have been finishing this job today if it weren't for the flood. We would have knocked out 1,000 feet in 1 day with trim. It's just not gonna happen now. So many disappointments in this world. So we know for sure where this flood is coming from?
I'll show you.
Let's see what we got. What the? That just collapsed under there, huh?
No, you can see. They don't replace the shower. And to do the pipe, they dug into the ground. Backyard floods, comes through the soap floor, floods out the house.
Jesus, that's wild. So where is that going?
It's going straight into the ground.
Wow.
And it's only sucking for 2 minutes.
That's a lot of freaking water getting sucked out of that thing already.
Well, looks awesome.
Looks great. It looks really nice. I love Lifeproof. It's one of my favorites. Alrighty, we'll see you tomorrow then.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll go to work. I get out at 3.
Okay.
So I get here around like 3:30. But my wife is off.
Okay.
She'll be here.
Okay, no problem.
You get up at 3 a.m.?
No, 3 p.m.
His wife will be here. His wife here.
But I go to work. I start at 6:30.
Oh, okay. Jeez.
You leave the house at 6:30 or you're there?
No, he's there at 6:30.
I'm already working in the shop at 6:30.
Oh, jeez.
I'm used to it. My other coworker that he's 22, he's not used to it yet.
I bet. I mean, that would be this one here. If I told him he had a beach number at 5:30 in the morning, he'd just stay awake. Hey, guess what? The client called. He's gonna go ahead with the job. You know, the cousin of the friend. You know, I'm horrible with names. Yeah, he called and he wants to do the job. He wants to do all the options though. He wants us to do the stairs. He wants us to do the casing. He wants us to do all the trim, the stain, everything. So we got to change the estimate, throw all that in. And I am officially on my way home. I know it's been a crazy Monday, but I'll be home in about 20 minutes. I'm going to grab barbecue for you, poke for me. And we'll have a good night. All right, I'll see you shortly. Wow, problem solved? I hope. We'll find out in part 2, right? Tune in. If you really want to help support our channel, we're trying to grow it. So please like, share, and of course, if you already haven't, subscribe. But if you really, really want to help our channel grow, we have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment like the one we're on today. Yep, this is a new one. Let me know what you think. Thank you. If you're new around here, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and even put them head to head. Run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite floor and mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching. You know, I'm more of a face kind of guy, not so much a names kind of person. I'll never forget a face or a floor, but I may forget your name as soon as I walk out the door.
I don't like the way that looks.
How long have you been doing that?
A week or two.